god.
It's Wacky Mine!
Whoever don't get the tempura in here will get to keep this, which is an earphone case.
There's 12 of them. Where's the heavy one? 2, 3. Ah!
Oh! Oh, you know, so cute!
Oh, the chips is cute!
Oh my god, the tempura. It comes with a plate, it's on top of a plate. With the mayonnaise.
With the mayo.
Plate and the mayonnaise.
Dip it in here. 3.
Oh, nice.
Oh, it's the sandwich! Mine is
So cute, the
a
sandwich.
sandwich.
This is crazy cute.
What is that?
The chow mein.
Oh,
Oh, you got the salad!
oh, the milk.
Milk.
You can open it and then you can close it.
Oh my god, and it's got the price on it. The
And it's
price
holding a
sticker.
heart.
My one's just inside a milk bottle. 2, 3.
The yakitori, it comes with the sauce as well.
My onigiri.
Oh my god, the onigiri. The soy sauce, fish soy sauce.
Yeah.
3. Sardines. You got everything you wanted. Oh, sardines.
I love that little snot bubble. That
And then
is
look at that. It's like this canned fish. So cute.
so good.
This diva and the popcorn popped.
Oh yeah. I just love the hair. Yeah.
3.
Okay.
Oh, it's fluffy.
cutie.
It's fluffy.
It is fluffy. Gosh.
The sausage.
I think I just don't like the green one. Adrian will get to keep the earphone case version. We'll have them side by
Oh my God.
side.
And the color's a bit different.
It is. Wacky Mine.